teenagers almost lost those guys in the canoe.
I just flew in from Miami.
We're back to the beach, guys! We finally made it!
Let's go in on a little backstory, would you? If you've watched the part 1 of this video, you would know it took us a whole year to get to this location. With everything we went through trying to find this location, you should see the excitement on our faces, realizing that we were finally this close to the water.
Let's go, guys, let's go! I am so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to see myself. This is crazy. This is crazy. After like several hours of journeying to this place, finally made it.
You feel like,
We made it.
you feel like,
Look at those guys.
you feel like,
Look at those guys.
you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion.
Such a beautiful sight.
Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind. Lay it on.
Yeah.
Don't bend down.
Nobody bend down.
Guys, I'm here.
And
Hey, Gemma, you're missing something.
this community almost lost the people of this canoe. My God, we were taking pictures and we never knew that they were crying. Why would they carry boats and enter this type of